So second sum, find the locus of a point P. I need to find the locus of a point P that moves at a constant distance. The first subdivision is 2 units from the x-axis. First subdivision, 2 units from x-axis. If I going to take coordinate plane x, y, x dash, y dash, 2 units from the x-axis. This is x-axis. 2 units means this first unit, the second unit. So 1 and 2, this will be 2 units. If I going to draw a line here, I can draw a line because if I going to measure from here to here, 2 units, here to here, 2 units, here to here, 2 units, 2 units from the x-axis. So this will be 2. So we can write that drawn line equation is y equal to 2. Therefore we can write y is equal to nothing but y equal to y. This 2 comes here, y minus 2 is 0 is the required locus of P. Sometimes this is the back answer sum. Suppose this is also 2 unit only, y equal to minus 2. The unit, no, this is, even though it is negative, what is the distance from here to here? Nothing but 2. Distances cannot be negative. If I are going to draw a line, this is also 2, y is equal to 2. You can take this one also, but back answer is this one, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Second subdivision, 3 units from the y-axis. 3 units from y-axis. So take it as it is, keep it is x, keep it y, x dash and y dash. This is y-axis. 3 units from y-axis means 1, 2, 3. Draw a line. So this one cuts at x-axis. So this one we can take as x is equal to 3. We can draw here also 3 units. So this one is x is equal to 3 means this is x is equal to minus 3. So what is the required locus? We can write x is equal to 3, which means x minus 3 equals 0 is the required locus of P. Therefore second subdivision is over. Thank you. Better we do third subdivision in the same video. Third sum, not third subdivision, third sum. If theta is a parameter, find the equation of locus. They given find the equation of locus. They given x is equal to a cos cube theta, comma y is equal to a sin cube theta. X is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta. Bring down a down. X by a is equal to cos cube theta. The same procedure. Bring the a down. Y by a is equal to sin cube theta. If 3 come this side, which becomes x by a whole power of 1 by 3 becomes fraction. 3 come towards left hand side becomes 3 becomes 1 by 3 theta. The same here also, y by a whole power of 1 by 3 is equal to I want to write cos theta. Okay, cos theta. Here is sin theta. We know what we knows. We know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This is cos square, no, x by a 1 by 3 the whole square, because cos, this is cos theta the whole square, plus sin, what is sin? Y by a, this is sin theta. I need to make whole square is equal to 0. We know power to power, we can multiply 2 powers. So 1 by 3 into 2 is nothing but 2 by 3. Power to power, we can multiply the powers. So what it becomes? X by a becomes x by a whole power of 1 by 3 into 2 is nothing but 2 by 3 plus y by a whole power of 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So from this we can separate the powers for numerator and denominator. X power of 2 by 3, a power of 2 by 3 plus y power of 2 by 3, a power of 2 by 3 is equal to 1. I am separated powers for numerator and denominator. Since denominator is same for both, I can put only 1. X power of 2 by 3 plus y power of 2 by 3 divided by a power of 2 by 3 is equal to 1. A power of 2 by 3 moves this side, which gives x power of 2 by 3 plus y power of 2 by 3. A power 2 by 3 into 1 is nothing but a power of 2 by 3 is the required locus of P. So we have finished third sum. Next we will do fourth sum also. What is the fourth sum given here? To find k and b, I need to find k and b. So they given 2 points. What is the first point? First we will write the equation. What is the given equation here? X square minus 5x plus ky is equal to 0. First I will need to find k. First I will find the k. They given 1 point. Minus 3 comma 1. Minus 3 comma 1. Apply minus 3 comma 1 here. Minus 3 comma 1 apply here. This is minus 3 the whole square. Minus 5 minus 3 plus k. In place of 1, y apply 1 is equal to 0. This will become 9. This will become 5 3s are 15 plus k equal to 0. 9 plus 15 is 24. Moves this side, which becomes k is equal to minus 24. We have finished k equal to minus 24. We need to find b. So write equation x square minus 5x plus ky equal to 0. So there is no b at all. There is no b in the equation. There is a b in point q. Nothing but 2 comma b. This will be x. This will be y. Apply 2 the whole square. 5 into 2. We know the k. K is nothing but minus 24. K is nothing but minus 24. This is not y. What is y? Y is nothing but b is equal to 0. This is 2 square is 4. 5 2s are 10. Minus 24 b is equal to 0. 4 minus 10. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Come this side, which becomes plus 6. So b is equal to 6 divided by minus 24. Therefore minus minus cancel, which becomes b equal to minus 1 by 4. So we have finished second sum, third sum and fourth sum very easily. Okay, thank you.